Oh my. Oh, today I'll be playing Baldi's Basics. Today I'll be playing Baldi's Basics, so I'm playing Baldi's Basics, so
welcome to my schoolhouse.
it's something terrible, I guess. This game doesn't
Now
scare
it's
me.
time for everybody's favorite one. Problem 2. 8 minus 7 equals
1.
I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem
7.
One. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
No, take the shiny card later. I promise.
Problem 1. 6 plus 4 equals...
Is it 10?
You're doing fantastic. Problem 2. 2 plus
Oh, sheep.
3 equals...
Nah, brother. Let's give. Oh, I am back. Whatever I was gonna say, ignore it. Because right now, I'm stressed out. Principal, I beg you, I'm just a sweet little angel. I didn't do anything. Bro, what's that annoying sound? I hate it. Oh, that's stupid. Yeah, I still have the shiny card at the main wait, is the main character the student is the main character Baldi? 12 3 Oh it was next to 3. There's no chances there's no way I just become dumb. Inshallah. No, I didn't have the yellow door lock. Or maybe previously on MLP, whatever you call it. I'm just gonna take that energy energy flavored zesty bar. Yeah, that's what you call it. Just make sure it's like just screaming out for me. Scream it out. What kind of food is that? Let me just see. It's pixelated. The whole game is pixelated. Everything. Even the okay, is this thing gonna unlimitedly go off? Or will it turn off the sooner about... Okay, at least I didn't turn it off. I saw if we did, I was gonna have to like show them. It's definitely 8. -7. And the thing that I hate. Well, what is the problem with creating this? But if you know this math question, tell us. Tell us everything. Tell us the truth. Tell us the true meaning of that thing. Oh my! I not know what to use this thing for. My first day playing Baldi's Basics. Not bad, I guess. I can just say not bad. $13. 12. And the worst thing there. That's not fun. Oh my. First prize is over here. I'm sorry, but you're not allowed to touch me. Never. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting stuck by first prize. So first prize, if you're starting me, 9, 6. Well, let's make the noise a little bit higher.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks. Now all you need to do is...
But you're kind of loud, okay? So maybe I'll lower your noise. First prize is not the time. You're talking your nonsense. In this time? Really? I saw that I'm gonna get stressed if it gets loud. If I get to the next exit and it gets loud, if there's no chances I'm letting... Baldi's please 6 APK mod. Going. They are sprint. It doesn't matter. Yay!
Great job.
Wow.